Hi everyone, welcome to Adobe Flash Professional tutorial series. We will start learning Adobe Flash Professional in this series, and I'm going to tell you what is Flash Player, and we will continue of course with more projects, and with the projects we will get more experience and then get acquainted with the Flash Player. Now I would like to take you to presentation to present what is a Flash Player. With Flash Player you can make web applications, so you visit some websites. Some of them you can make animated using this Flash Player, and web page components, advertisements, presentation. You can make a perfect presentations using this. The games and movies content for mobile applications, and we will see more about them. Now I would like to take you to Flash Player quickly, and we will do our first project from here. Okay, now first screen you will see that one. You're gonna choose the format of your document. I would like to make this ActionScript 3.0 because in ActionScript 3 you can structure and organize your application a lot more strategically. It's faster, neater, and much more recommended than ActionScript 2.0. The main difference is that you can develop Flash applications with a much stronger object-oriented programming influence than in ActionScript 2. So I would like to prefer you ActionScript 3. And now we're gonna see this the interface of the Flash Professional. We will see a toolbar on the left side, and if you know a little bit about Photoshop, you will know these tools. Otherwise, we will learn them also through these exercises. On the right side, we will see the library properties. On the top, we will see a layout, that the file, all the things that you can find based on these categories, under these categories. And of course, we're gonna need a timeline because animations is based on the frames. These every circle, every squares over here is called a frame, and when you move these frames, and you will see the animation is moving. Here is our scene. This is the place where we work all the time. Okay, now we're gonna start drawing to the scene something. Example, I got my circle oval tool. I drew an oval, and I can show you some tips in the circle, how to draw a perfect circle, how to draw a circle starting from the center, some tips like that. Example, if you hold down a shift, example, it will let you draw a proper circle. If you hold down the alt and shift, example, now I point this point, here is going to be my center, and it's going to resize your circle around this origin, okay, where you started. If you want, you can change the shape clicking on this. You just have to click on left a little bit for a while, and it will show up this menu. And by the way, when you see these signs, it means that there will have some sub menus. Okay, we can call them pop-up menus, and from these menus you can change the setting. I'm going to choose the polygonal star, okay, and then I would like to also change the color of them. I would like to draw with this color a rectangle. Okay, so you can change the color again, prefer something else. Okay, now I'd like to show you something. We will select the sub selection tool, and when you select this, as you see, it is a collection. The thing that you drew was a rectangle, but the rectangle was the collection of all pixels. When you select them with the sub selection tool, and you can separate them because you just select some pixels from here, and you can separate them. But how do we make them group so they won't be separated? Okay, so when you click once, when you select one part of this, it won't let you separate this. How do we do this? You're gonna select them all, okay, and right click, and you're gonna convert them to symbol. And if you want, you can also name it. Example, I'm going to call this circle 01. I'll say okay. So here we go. The circle is going to be here, and when I attempt to select the part of this, it won't let me to do this. So you can find also the circle here, and then you can put as much as you want. Okay. If you want to change its color, you can click 2 times, and then you're gonna add it over this object, and you will select this. Okay, and then you will get the paint bucket tool and select the color you want to apply. Let's say yellow, and it will do this yellow. All right, and it will also affect all because they were all the same. All right, and then after that, look at this. You click 2 times, and you lets you enter the circle, and then you're gonna click on this, and it will take you back to scene. Okay. Okay, in this series we have finished the first tutorial here, and we will continue in the following tutorials how to make the more exercises using this Flash. So hopefully we will enjoy doing animations in Flash Player. Thanks for watching, and we will see each other next lesson. Bye bye.